So today we will move further. You have already learned how to make a magic loop. Today we will learn how to make a basic chain. It's very basic. You have to make a magic loop, insert the crochet hook, tighten up the magic loop, and that's how you will start. Okay, now you have two ends of thread. One is short end, the other one is connected to the ball. If you are going to crochet with the right hand, then the short end will be at the right side. If you are going to crochet with the left hand, then short end will be at the left side. There are so many ways to hold the yarn in the other hand, but I'm going to show you the very easiest way. Okay, you have to roll the yarn over your fingers like that. It's so easy to hold the yarn like that. After that, you will explore how you like to hold it. Okay, after that, you have to put your thumb and middle finger on the start and proceed like that. That's how we will make a crochet chain. Okay, so here is a closer view. Just pay attention to the all steps, and if you will have any question, you can message in the group. Thank you. हम सीखेंगे सिंगल क्रोशे बनाना। उसको स्टार्ट करने के लिए आपको दो स्किल आने चाहिए, मैजिक लूप एंड चेन, और आपको दोनों आते हैं। सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद अ मैजिक लूप. इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. ऑब्वियसली यू हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड इट. और उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू मेक चेन 10. ओके, आफ्टर मेकिंग 10 चेन्स, पहली चेन को छोड़ते हुए दूसरी चेन में, जिस तरह से आप वीडियो में देख रहे हैं, आपको हुक को इंसर्ट करना है. देन पुल द yarn एंड दोनों लूप में से जैसे चेन के मेथड से ही आपने yarn को निकाल लेना है. ये जो स्टिच आपको वीडियो में नज़र आ रहा है, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सिंगल क्रोशे. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ वेरी बेसिक क्रोशे स्टिच. एक रो कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। हम इसको पलटेंगे और दोबारा से एक चेन से शुरू करेंगे। अभी जो आपके पास ऊपर वर्किंग लूप्स हैं, लास्ट सिंगल क्रोशे बनाने के बाद इसके ऊपर चेन की तरह जो अपीयर हो रहे हैं, दीज आर योर वर्किंग लूप्स। इसमें आपने सेम मेथड से चेन को इंसर्ट करना है, हुक को, एंड यू हैव टू पुल द yarn एंड इसको लूप्स में से चेन के मेथड से गुजारते हुए सिंगल क्रोशे बनाना है टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस रो। That's how you make single crochet. It's easy but it needs practice. So अगर आपको इस स्टिच के बारे में कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है या आपको समझ नहीं आया, यू कैन मैसेज इन द ग्रुप। Well, so today we are going to make double crochet. For that I'm starting with the magic loop, which you already know how to make it, and I'm going to make 10 chains, which you also know how to make chains by now. So for crochet you need to understand that 3 chains are equal to 1 double crochet. So here I'm skipping 3 chains after making 10 chains, and now watch the process. Skipping 3 chains, 4th chain is the working chain, yarn over on the hook, insert the hook in the 4th chain like this, pull the loop. Now we have 3 loops on the crochet hook, and then you can work through 2 loops and then 2 loops again. I will show you the zoom view of that. So that's how you will make double crochet. Now you have to make double crochet till the last chain. Say we have completed our first row. Now you have to turn the work and make 3 chains, as these are equal to 1 double crochet, and over the double crochets we have chain, it's our working loops. These are our working loops, sorry. So repeat the same process, yarn over the hook, insert the hook in the chain, and then you will have 3 loops on the chain, yarn over from 2 loops and then 2 loops again. It's done. That's how you make double crochet. Let me know if you understood it. करेंगे मैजिक लूप से and then you can make 10 or 12 chains to practice the stitch. So अभी तक आप सिंगल क्रोशे और डबल क्रोशे बनाना सीख चुके हैं. Half double crochet is a little bit different from the double crochet. You have to yarn over and insert the hook in the second chain because you are skipping the first chain, and now you have 3 loops. Yarn over from all 3 loops to make half double crochet and repeat the process to practice. So now first row is completed. To make the second row, turn your crochet work and make 1 chain. Again yarn over and insert the crochet hook in the chain which we have on the top of those half double crochet stitches.